Tuesday, August 28th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. A lot of talk about Isaac coming up in just a couple of moments. I'll get into that in a pretty good amount of detail. Yesterday, though, look at the warmth across the region. We hit 90 in Charlotte and Greensboro, Elizabeth City, Fayetteville, Columbia as well. 83 in Asheville, 79 in Boone. Pretty warm day. I think most of us not quite as warm today due to a couple of reasons. First of all, more cloud cover, as well as the chance of some showers and storms moving in. Pretty quiet right now across North Carolina, but off to the south in South Carolina, you have those areas of showers and a couple thunderstorms moving northward. That is due to the moisture around the periphery of Tropical Storm Isaac. And it is still a tropical storm. Again, I'll get into that coming up here in just a moment. There's Isaac right now, northern Gulf of Mexico. Not a terribly impressive looking tropical system on the radar. The pressure is very, very low though, and I have to look back at the records. I cannot in my memory remember a tropical storm with a pressure as low as Isaac has. I think for all intents and purposes this is a hurricane, but still by the aircraft observed wind speeds, this is being held as a strong tropical storm. We're kind of quabbling over semantics there, but either way, it's either a very, very strong tropical storm or a weak hurricane. Temperatures in the low and mid-70s out there across most of the region, a little cooler in the mountains there, Boone at 54. There's that moisture off to the south beginning to increase, again, around the periphery of Isaac, and I think as we go through the day, we will have the opportunity of some showers and storms. The greatest coverage of rain and storms across southern North Carolina over into eastern North Carolina. For the northern Piedmont, the northern foothills, it'll be really due to a cold front dropping in late this afternoon and this evening that'll bring us the better chances of showers and storms up that way. So there you go. There's your front dropping in. Now that front will kind of stall out down across South Carolina. And so it looks like tomorrow and Thursday, most of the rain will be south of I-40. Say occasional showers and storms, Charlotte down through South Carolina. But say Raleigh and Greensboro, probably not a whole lot of rain. Looks like Wednesday and Thursday. All right, there's Isaac. It's still battling that dry air. And notice there is just not a lot of convection along the northern half of this tropical storm. And it is that dry air that has been the limiting factor for strengthening. The water temperatures are fine. The upper level pattern is fine. It's just the dry air has been battling that's really been holding this in check. And that is a blessing for the folks in the northern Gulf of Mexico. 70-mile-per-hour sustained winds. But look at that pressure, 977 millibars. I've seen plenty of hurricanes with pressures higher than that. But it's not just about the pressure. It's about the wind, too. There goes the system into Louisiana tonight. That's where landfall will occur, probably close to the mouth of the Mississippi River. And then as we go through Friday and Saturday with the remnants of Isaac, probably head up through Missouri and Illinois. Maybe eventually we get into some better shower and storm chances with that, but maybe not until Sunday, Monday, Tuesday or so of next week. Now these are current winds along the Gulf Coast. New Orleans, 25-mile-per-hour sustained winds. Boothville, 22. Again, these are not wind gusts. These are current winds. You have a couple of ship and buoy reports out there with some 40 and 50-mile-per-hour winds. So definitely getting very breezy along the Gulf Coast. And the rain is coming. Check out what the RPM is printing out for rain totals between now and Thursday evening. Going to be a lot of rain, and it's going to be flooding and storm surge. They're the big problems with Isaac as we go through the coming days. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.